Hey, what's going on, my J-Hen Travel and Life crew? This is your boy J-Hen coming to you guys with another video. And actually in this video, we're going to be doing another unboxing, you guys. Let's go. All right, you guys. So I ordered this a while ago, probably over a month. Might even been 2 months ago. Might even been 3 months ago. I just haven't opened it. But I ordered something from Pampered Chef for the first time. I'm going to open this up, let you guys see what it is. And just want to let you guys know I actually ordered this from someone that I met on a cruise. You guys can check her out right here on this cruise. Check me and her out cruising in this video right here. It's down there. You know, this is my first time cruising on a mega cruise ship. And I had just an amazing time. Mama Tracy was there. It was actually a cruise conference. And I met MJ on this cruise, who also is a travel agent, and she also sells Pampered Chef. So she was sharing some stuff on Facebook, and that's what led me to this unboxing today. But I'm sorry, you guys, just if you want to check out this video right here to see what it's like cruising, to see what our experience was like cruising on the Norwegian Epic, just check this video out. The vibes was nice. It was a lot of fun. We had a really good time, and you can see MJ right there. We was kicking it. We was getting it in. But, you know, back to this unboxing video, you guys. Let's get back to this unboxing video. So, I had saw one of MJ's Facebook's lives, and she was actually doing something where she was, I think, making like some ground beef. I don't know if it was tacos or something, but you know, sometimes, you know, if you're using a regular fork trying to grind up your meat in the pan, sometimes, you know, get a little bit older, your hands start hurting. You don't want to be using your hands, doing all that type of stuff. You know, even sometimes using a spoon, a bigger spoon might not be that good. It might not work that well. So when I saw her on her Facebook Live, like grinding up her ground beef or ground turkey or whatever she was grinding up in the utensil she was using, I was like, man, I need one of those, because that just looks, you know, made it seem like so much easier to do and to grind the meat up. And then not only did I find out that you could grind up like ground beef and meat with it when you're trying to grind it up in the pan or stir it up, you can also use it on other items as well. So this right here, I actually ordered two, because I ordered one for me and one for Mama Tracy. It's actually called the Pampered Chef. It's the Mix and Chop. So you guys see it right here. I'm just opening it up right now in front of you guys. So this is called the Mix and Chop. We're going to test this out today on a few items and see what all it can do. But from looking at some of the pamphlets and videos, you know, you can use this to do things like to mix up and chop up a lot of different food items. You can use it, like I said, on ground beef, ground turkey. I don't eat beef, I don't eat turkey, so I'll be using this on other stuff. You know, you can use it like on eggs. I've seen demonstrations of it being used, you know, like on avocados, fruit. So we're just going to go in here and test it out, you know, maybe trying to make mashed potatoes. And it just says you just pretty, it's made out of some pretty good, I guess, plastic here. I'm guessing this is plastic. I'm just guessing, y'all. But pretty nice, durable utensil right here. I'm assuming it should be dishwasher safe. And yeah, pretty sturdy. Look, can't bend it or anything like that. So I think it's going to do the job when I'm trying to, you know, mix or chop something up. So it's called the Mix and Chop. And we're going to go in the kitchen and we're going to go do some mixing and chopping. So follow me on to the kitchen, y'all. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so I done brought the Mix and Chop on over into the kitchen so we can test it out. I think I'm just going to try it out on three things right here. I got some boiled eggs, some sweet potatoes that I got steamed that kind of need to be mixed up a little bit and crumbled down a little bit. Then I got some tuna fish here. I mean, I got some avocados back here, y'all. It's late. It's almost midnight. I would go ahead and make me some guacamole, but I don't feel like doing that right now. I probably will try it out using these avocados, or some avocados and some Beyond Meat crumbles, since I don't use, like I say, like ground beef, and that's kind of the reason why I bought it, to like grind up stuff like that. So I'll probably show that another time in another video. But let's go ahead and try this out on these three items right here and see how it works out, you guys. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so we are going to first start out with the boiled eggs here. So it says you just kind of push down and twist. So it doesn't take much work to do this. Just real easy pushing down, twisting. It's kind of getting the job done here. pretty good. So, doing this job here, chopping it up, crumbling it up, just with a small, little bit of force, pushing and twisting to crumble it up. So I do have a Ninja. I do have the Ninja food processor, Ninja blender, and I also have a handheld blender as well that I can use that came with some different accessories that I can use for grinding up stuff, pureeing food, chopping up food as well. But again, sometimes you don't feel like getting all that electrical stuff out. You just want to do something nice and simple that's not going to take too much of work to clean. So that kind of got the eggs, you know, crumbled down. And so that got the eggs crumbled down to a nice size here, to where if I wanted to, I guess if you, I don't make egg salad, but if you wanted to make like an egg salad, or if you wanted to use this to put on just like your regular salad, or what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to add some of this to my actual tuna fish. But that was really simple. Better than using a fork, better than trying to use a spoon to get this crumbled up. Now we're going to wash this off and move on to the next food item. Okay, and now we're moving on to the sweet potatoes here. These were steamed first, so just pretty much using the same method, pressing down, and then I guess, you know, if you push, you can twist. Push and twist, and it is pretty much doing the job of mashing up these sweet potatoes. Again, you know, I probably could get it done a little bit faster using my hand blender, but again, with the hand blender, sometimes if you don't hit it right, you got to worry about it making a mess all over the place. But as you can see, this can get the job done here. Just giving it a mash and twist, and it's doing what it needs to do here with the sweet potatoes. So if you're just trying to make mashed potatoes with regular potatoes or red potatoes, it pretty much can help you to get the job done. Okay, and then lastly, we'll go ahead and we're moving on to the tuna here. This is already pretty much crumbled up, but sometimes before you add all your fixings into the tuna, you just gotta get it a little bit crumbled down and ready to mix stuff in. Okay, and then this is actually, it's very easy to clean. It's dishwasher safe. And I was just thinking, you know, if you're going by somebody's house to make something, you don't know if they got a blender or a hand blender, you can take this with you. If you're going out to a picnic, gonna be making, I don't know, some potato salad or some mashing up some beans or something, you could take this with you on the go too. Very nice, convenient utensil to have, and it's very light, dishwasher safe. If you guys like this video, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and like I said, when I'll try this out on some different food items and probably make some more videos. I want to give a shout out to MJ, you guys. Go ahead, support her. I'll leave a link in the bottom for Pampered Chef if you want to get one of these, as well as I'll leave some alternate links of places you can also maybe get something similar to this. Again, thanks for watching my video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, check out the links in the description down below. Be on the lookout for new videos, and thanks for making it this far in the video. Until next time, you guys, share this video, like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Peace.